sales perspective, when would you see that Office 365 backup solution from StorageCraft be positioned?
Yeah, so obviously, you may already have a lot of customers already using Office 365, and you haven't thought about the solution or that requirement or the need for that, or you have and you're currently exploring options around that. Obviously, with Office 365, you do have built-in features on various plans such as litigation on hold, but this is giving a much more rapid search and recovery option. So, it might be that the customer already has it, or it might be that you're going to be giving them a quote on migrating into Office 365, and you might include the StorageCraft Cloud Backup solution as part of that.
So StorageCraft have an MSP play, a managed service provider play now.
Yeah.
Could you explain that a little bit for me? I hear a lot of products like put the MSP or CSP behind it, but never really understand it. Could you explain it to me for me?
So I think the key thing with MSP, it's about adding value to what you're doing without adding significant effort, okay? And the traditional way of perpetual licensing, for example, is you find an opportunity with a customer, they're really interested, but they want to push it back to next year's budget. So we're trying to say, look, with MSP, we'll rent you the licensing or the services that you require. You can drop them off at any time, but it's allowing you to get that opportunity over the line. It's an OpEx discussion. It's let's move now rather than waiting for next year's budget.
Any key features out of the MSP that you can tell us about that partners can pick up and just run with?
So I think the key thing with StorageCraft MSP is it's all part of our partner portal. So we've got a single sign-on, and from there you've got the option to immediately request Shadow Protect licensing. You can go in and deploy cloud backup for your Office 365 or G Suite, as we talked about. It's all multi-tenancy, so your single sign-on, you can create a customer and deploy that service straight away. It's really easy. We've got the cloud services, so that allows you to offsite recover any of your customer Shadow Protect backups, instantly virtualize in the cloud. That's a fantastic solution, where again, it's minimal effort by the partner. You don't have to invest in extra infrastructure. You can leverage the StorageCraft cloud. And I guess finally, the StorageCraft file backup and recovery solution. So this is giving you the ability to protect your mobile or remote workers, where instead of sort of having a sophisticated backup solution trying to protect these roaming users, we can just have them back up directly into the cloud and give them instant recovery options. So those are some of the key features in the MSP program.
Thank you so much for your time today, Karl. Really appreciate the time you spent with us, and hopefully if you have any questions, please direct it to myself, Tony Lamb, or Karl Thomson, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks, Tony.
Thank you.
Cheers.